Microbes are very small living organisms that can be seen only by microscope, which magnifies their image so we can see them. Microorganisms occur in an amazing variety of shapes and sizes, and they are divided into one of 5 groups: bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa, and algae. Bacteria are found in every habitat on Earth, for example, rock, oceans, and even Arctic snow. Bacterial cells are also found in the lining of intestinal tract. Some bacteria live in the soil or on dead plant matter, where they play an important role in the cycling of nutrients. The other microorganisms are viruses. They can be filamentous, helical, complex, spherical, and icosahedral in shape. Viruses are minute organisms virtually found in every ecosystem on Earth. A virus is a microscopic organism that can replicate only inside the cells of a host organism. Fungi can be single-celled or very complex multicellular organisms. They are found in any habitat, but most live on the land, mainly in soil or on plant material. A group called the decomposers grows in the soil or on dead plant matter, where they play an important role in the cycling of carbon and other elements. Protozoa are single-celled organisms. They are found in different shapes and sizes, ranging from an amoeba, which can change its shape, to paramecium, with its fixed shape and complex structure. They are mostly found in moist habitats, including freshwater, marine environments, and the soil. Algae can exist either as single cells, example Chlamydomonas, or joined together in chains like Spirogyra, or made up of many cells. Most algae live in fresh or seawater, where they can either be free-floating, planktonic, or attached to the bottom. Some algae can grow on rocks or soil as long as there is enough moisture. A few algae form very close partnerships with fungi to form lichens. Microorganisms play a very important role in our lives. Some microbes cause disease, but the majorities are completely harmless and are useful in pharmaceutical and baking industry.